Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do an asparagus recipe. We're going to wrap it in filo bread. You want to break the tough end off and it will tell you where that is if you just do like that. See, it knows when to break it off. So that's all there is to it. We'll put these over here and put them in the filo bread. What we're going to do, this is a very simple recipe. You buy filo bread. I know most of you have used it. You can buy it in the frozen food department of your grocery store. And it's a real thin sheets of filo. We're going to brush it down with some butter. Now I've already broken asparagus and have it washed. So we're going to brush this a little bit. And we're going to wrap 2 or 3 of these asparagus, sprinkle a little parmesan cheese on it. We'll also sprinkle this cheese on the outside of it too. Now that's all there is to it. And we got a pan that we have already pre-sprayed over here. And we're going to lay this in here like this. Last year I didn't have a garden. The one thing I saved, I had the garden on raised beds, and I had one bed that had asparagus in it. And that was the only bed that I left because asparagus, it takes a long time for it to get started, and I just didn't want to get rid of it. So, let's see, we got to put our asparagus in here first. I think it'd be easier for me to do that with my hands. Okay. Now that we have our asparagus rolled up in the baking pan, we're going to sprinkle some parmesan cheese over it. And we're going to put it in the oven and bake it. It's 375 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay. Now that our asparagus is finished, you can serve this in a lot of different ways. You can serve it in a glass, you can serve it on a plate. I had this little dish, I thought we'd put some lettuce in it and serve it that way. But I hope you try it, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. And I hope to see you on another video. Thank you for watching.